bloody strange, isn't it? It is strange.
5 times kite surf world champion Steph Bridge reckons she can teach anyone to foilboard. Floating 2 feet above the water at 25 miles per hour.
The whole thing was to start taking off and go faster and faster and faster, and you've got to control the thing.
I have never seen anyone make something look so easy, and I wouldn't say that lightly.
Guy is eager to experience a foilboard in full flight for himself. The lesson starts in Steph's Exmouth shop.
It began on a skateboard with a beer barrel underneath it.
Keep the weight low, centre of effort low. To get a bit of a feel of the even weight distribution that you need for hydrofoiling is to switch off quite a lot of the big muscles in your body and to start working the small muscles.
Yes!
Straight in there, wouldn't he? It's natural.
It's just a balance thing, isn't it? And I'm sort of all right at balancing.
Wicked. Yay! It's really good.
Next Guy takes to the local River Exe. He's never experienced being pulled behind a boat before, so starts off on a simple surfboard with no hydrofoil underneath.
He did amazing. First time up on a surfboard. I've got hope for the lad.
I wasn't doing somersaults or anything, but I could ride behind the boat and I could move left and right.
We were like, hang on, this guy's, he's on it. Let's get the foilboard out.
I thought, what's the problem, officer? What's the problem, officer? Give it here. Give it here, I'll have a go at that.
So this is the mast.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the fuselage.
Yeah.
And this is the front wing and this is the back wing.
It's a work of art. Didn't you look at all the machining? The machining processes that's gone into that.
Guy prepares to foilboard for the very first time.
Okay. Yes.
It's hard.
That's good. Great.
It's not something you can learn fast because it's a real feel thing. And there's not really a sport that you can say that's exactly the same as hydrofoiling. How are you feeling, Guy? Good?
My God. If I tried it once, I tried it 50 times and crashed every single time.
Less is more. Hydrofoiling is very small movements. To find that sweet spot that is akin to flying.
Initially, to get upright, loads of weight on the back. And then as soon as you get upright, loads of weight on the front. But not too much weight because you go over the handlebars.
I know that water intimately now. There's no broken bones, but I'm a bit sore.
But Guy refuses to leave the water, even for a call of nature, until he's foiled at least once.
Are you doing the wee now? Just as we're speaking, man. Looking you boys in the eyes while having a wee.
Relieved, he tries once again. But this time, hydrofoil's clean out of the water.
It was a hell of a smash. Did you see?
This leg's sore. That's took a smack. That's a bit sore. You can see the screw heads coming out of there. My arms have felt better. They're all right. Hey, you're not going to get me. I'm not going to start breaking down here and saying, I'm not going to do that. I've been in better form, to be honest. To be honest.
And then, after persisting for 3 hours, Guy finally cracks it.
Guy has definitely got up hydrofoiling for a small moment of time and flown.
Yeah, but come on. Come on. Come on. Followed by a crash.
Guy's day has shown that using hydrofoils to break a world record is going to be incredibly difficult.